everyone. I hope everyone is fine and you have done your first exam well. Now in this video I am going to share you the most expected questions from chapter number 7, coordinate geometry of class 10. Coming to the first questions, find the distance between secant theta comma 0, 0 comma tan theta. Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so find the distance. Everyone already aware about the distance formula, under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So they will give the coordinates like this in the trigonometric ratios form, or sometimes they will give you the normal numbers, or sometimes in logarithm form also. So be ready. Okay, practice these questions and be ready to find the distance. Find the midpoint of the line segment. This is the one of most important questions. Maybe you are going to get for 2 marks, or else in MCQs they are going to ask you, but it is very important questions. Find the midpoint. Midpoint formula is also easy. That is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So that formula you are going to use. And coming to the next one, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 3 comma minus 5, minus 7 comma 4, and 10 comma minus 2. Okay, for finding the centroid you are going to use the formula gx comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Then coming to the next one, this is four most important question. Here I have already written star. Why? Because in your special test, pre-final and practice papers, they have already asked find the coordinates of trisections. Okay, 2 to 3 times they have asked, but they did not even even one time also they did not ask you the heroines formula. एक बार भी नहीं पूछा heroines formula. So ये ज़्यादातर chance है find the area of a triangle using the heroines formula 2,3, 6,3 and 2,6. So what is the formula? Under root s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Okay. If possible, I will make you the separate videos regarding formula of chapter 7. Okay, because the time is very near. That's the reason, and in this video also I cannot explain you the each and every formula. Video will become lengthy, so that's the reason I am just concentrating on the important questions. Okay, then find the slope. This is important. The formula is for finding slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Especially I have observed this in part B. Okay, and here sometimes they are asking find the slope when theta is 45 degrees. Okay, or any other angle. Whenever they are talking about angle, जब भी angle के बारे में पूछ रहा आपको ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. कंफ्यूज दोनों भी स्लोप है. This one also used for finding slope. This one also this ये कब यूज करना जब कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिया तो ये वाला यूज करना. अगर ये जब एंगल दे दिया 45 डिग्री 30 डिग्री 60 डिग्री ऐसा कुछ दिया तो जब m is equal to tan theta जो भी डिग्री दिया means 45 suppose tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. So your slope answer is 1. Then determine x so that 2 is the slope of the line passing through P 2,5 and Q x, 3. Like this twisting questions they are going to give you. See here already determined x. Here we should not determine the slope value because already they have given 2 is the slope. Means here already given in the place of m you need to write here 2. And this is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. Substitute here, simplify, do cross multiplication. Finally you are going to get the value of x. You should be careful here. And this type of questions mostly from chapter 7 they are asking. Okay, then coming to the 7th one, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining the points minus 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. Whenever they are using saying find the coordinate and line segment join, many of the students are getting confused. Immediately they are taking they are thinking that we need to find here trisection, which is completely wrong. They did not use the word trisection. Did they use? कहीं पे भी trisection लिखा हुआ है, academic में trisection राशन था ले दो. Then what we need to do? You need to observe this one. Okay, there is a line where the points are divided into equal parts. So when the points were divided into equal parts, it means it is a midpoint formula. What is the midpoint? Midpoint means dividing the line segment into 2 equal parts. So here also they are using the word 4 equal parts. So here we need to find the 4 points. Find 4 points. So find the coordinates. So it means you are going to find more 3 points. Okay, by using the formula midpoint. Do remember, find the coordinates of trisection. See here. It's not so important I am expecting because already many times they asked in previous question paper. But even though once you learn, once you practice, because in first language when there is a Hindi or Telugu, few one or two questions they are repeated from your pre-final special test and this all. So इसीलिए chance नहीं देना है, chance ये करो तो practice చేయండి. Then coming to the show that minus 6, 10, minus 4, 6 and 3, s are collinear. This is also, it's not so important. ఒకసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి, ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వకూడదు. Okay, practice. What formula you are going to use? You are going to use the area of a triangle. Already, how to remember area of a triangle formula? Make separate, video. In easy way I have explained you, because the formula is little lengthy. Half into modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 modulus close. That formula you are going to use. If you are getting the answer as 0, మీకు ఆన్సర్ 0 వచ్చిందంటే ఇచ్చిన పాయింట్ కొలీనియర్, 0 రాలేదంటే ఇచ్చిన పాయింట్ కొలీనియర్ కాదు. బట్ హియర్ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ the word shoulder means compulsory you should get. If they are saying check whether the given points are collinear or not, maybe you are going to get 0 or not. అర్థమైందా? Clear? It's clear. Sometimes they use the names. Kirti says that given points of collinear. Are you agree with Kirti? Instead of Kirti, some other boy name, girl name, like this they will add you, but the concept is same. No need of confusion. Then coming to the last one, which is very important. What is the other end of the diameter of the circle whose center is 1, 2? So like you can observe here, they are talking about circle. In circle, this is a center. Here already there, whose center is 1, 2. And they are saying that another end of the point is 1, minus 3. You need to find the other end of the diameter, means this one. What is the diameter? A line which is passing through the center and touching two sides of a circle, right? So here we don't know, this is x, y. Then here, if you observe, they did not use the word distance formula, midpoint, trisection, centroid, slope, they did not use. Then which formula we need to use? Observe the diagram carefully. Here which point it is? Center. Center is nothing but midpoint. So here you are going to use the midpoint formula. Already midpoint they have given 1, 2 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1, y1 is this one and x2, y2 is this one. Okay, and substitute, simplify and equate the x coordinate, equate the y coordinate, and further simplify, you are going to get the value of other end of the diameter. So I hope you have understood very well. If you understand, please like, subscribe and share. Jai Hind.